The first step to create your digital resource is to collect all of the key resources together. You may already have the text that we're going to use as a basis for the document. You may have hyperlinks already identified. You may have copyright-free images or Creative Commons images that you have downloaded off the internet. Maybe there are images already on your iPad in your Photos app. Maybe you took images using the camera or took video using the camera. Maybe you used iMovie to create a compelling video that you want to embed into your EPUB. You probably already know how to make a document combining text and images and potentially hyperlinks. Creating an EPUB document is almost identical. We import the core components, but notice we then have to include certain structural features. This includes the use of page breaks and line breaks, along with hyperlinks. Let's have a look now at how to take a document that already exists, maybe it's on one of the cloud services such as Google Drive or OneDrive, and turn this into an EPUB. In this first example, we're going to open a document from Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into Google Drive. Identify the document, but don't open it up straight away. In the right-hand corner of your screen, click on the three dots and then click on Select. Choose the document, and then at the bottom of your screen, click on the three dots in the menu that appears and choose Open In. A list of possible destinations appears. Scroll along until you see Copy to Pages. The Word document stored in Google Drive will now be imported into Pages and open up. We may get an error message about missing fonts, but just click on Done. And here is the text in Pages ready for us to enhance. If your document is stored in OneDrive, open up the OneDrive app. Don't open the document, but simply click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner, choose Select Items, and tap the document that we're going to use. Then, at the bottom of your screen, click on the other three dots and choose Open in another app. And choose Copy to Pages. And just as we saw before, the document will be imported into Pages. You might get an error message about fonts. Click on Done, and our document is now ready for us to enhance as before. Maybe the text is already on a website. It could be it's on our own personal website. Simply highlight the text and click on Copy. Then press your Home button, open up Pages, create a new document, and simply paste in the text. I'm just going to make some changes to this basic text and put in the title of this document and the author. Notice at the moment that the text is unformatted. We're going to come to this in just a minute. To add an image into our document, click on the Add sign in the top right-hand corner, choose Images, and browse to find the picture that you require. The next step is to structure the text we have. We may well want biodiversity to automatically start on another page, and to do this, simply click at the beginning of biodiversity, and when the keyboard appears, click on the last icon in the top row next to the predictive text. It looks like a P facing backwards. You can then choose Page Break, and this forces biodiversity onto a new page. Repeat this throughout the document. So now we have our text with the right page breaks in place. We have the images inserted. We're now ready to move on and enhance our document. When you're ready, click on the next video in the series where we'll explore the use of styles.